Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money right here on Phemex. So right now I'm here in my mock trading account, but I can show you exactly what you need to do if you want to deposit, because we select right here start live trading, and then we are right here on our live trading account, and then we select right here on this bar from here this wallet option. Then we can select right here deposit, and then we do right here deposit crypto, and then he will send us right here to this page. A very important thing that you need to know is you need to verify your account, otherwise you can deposit or withdraw. I am using, I think, around 40 crypto brokers and exchanges, so I didn't verify my account because I don't like it that so much brokers are having my information. So I can show you the steps that you need to do, but I can't show you exactly all the steps that you need to do for depositing your money because I didn't verify my account. That's a little side note that you need to know. But it's quite simple. If you go right here to select coin deposit, you can select right here what you want to deposit. They also have a massive list. You can deposit crypto, you can deposit USDT. So decide which one you want to deposit. So let's do right here the USD Tether. Then we select right here the network, and I can recommend you to do right here the TRX. That is fine. That will cost you 1 minute. That is fine to use. And then right now, what you need to know is you need to copy your address. So fill in right here your address, the address that you want to deposit right here in Phemex. And then after that, click further, and then you can deposit your money right here to Phemex. But be careful, because if you are making a mistake in that address, then it goes to someone else. So please take your attention, be careful with that, and take your time, because otherwise, maybe when you're talking about thousands of dollars, that deposit will go to someone else. So this is how you can deposit right here on Phemex. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.